A provider orders 2,500 milliliters of lactated ringers. The 4 is supposed to run at 165 milliliters per hour. The tubing drop factor is 20 GTT per ml. But you're not allowed to set the pump. You must set a gravity drip. Question 1. What number does gravity care about most, ml per hour, or drops per minute? Question 2. What formula converts ml per hour into GTT a minute? Question 3. If you rush this step, what happens, under infusion or fluid overload? Step-by-step calculations, formula method. Given. Rate equals 165 milliliters per hour. Drop factor equals 20 GTT per ml. Formula. GTT, minute equals ml per hour times GTT, ml 60 / text, GTT, minute, equals /frac the /text, ml hour times /text a GTT, ml is 60 a GTT, a minute equals 60 ml hour times GTT, ml. Step 1. Substitute values. GTT, minute equals 165 times 2060 /text, GTT, minute, equals /frac, 165 times 2060 GTT, per minute equals 60165 times 20. Step 2. Multiply numerator. 165 times 20 equals 3300165 times 20 equals 3300165 times 20 equals 3300 GTT, minute equals 330,060 text, the GTT, the minute equals /frac, the 3360 GTT, the minute equals 603300. Step 3. Divide by 60. 3,300 divided by 60 is equal to 553,300 div 60 equals 553,300 divided by 60 is equal to 55. White have a check mark. Final answer. 55 GTT, a minute /boxed, 55 /, text, GTT, minute of 55 GTT a minute. Bonus, think like a tech check, optional in narration. Question 4. How long will 2,500 milliliters take at 165 milliliters per hour? Hours equals 2,500 divided by 165 equals 15.15 hour / text of hours equals 2,500 div 165 equals 15.15 / text hours equals 2,500 divided by 165 equals 15.15 hour. That's about 15 hours and 9 minutes. Since 0.15 times 60 almost equals 90.15 times 60 approx. 90.15 times 60 almost equals 9. Closing line. Narrator.